Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting video. Here we are gonna show you how to unleash your creativity and be more creative. So here with the help of sheets and folding it in this manner, we have made a blower like this. Further, get a yellow sheet, fold it from the corners and get the lines and creases. Press it gently with your fingers and unwrap it in this portion, and from the top you need to fold it like this. Get them arranged and fix it in this position. Further, here you have to get the lines in the sheets like this and then fold it along the lines in this manner. From the back side as well, you have to fold the sheets like this, get them fixed and arranged in this manner. Now here you have to open it in this way and get them fixed in this position. Further, you need to fold it and wrap it in this manner. Keep on getting the folds and then tuck it inside. Get the spirals made. Further, you have to just make it into the form of a rose like this and paste it on the top of it in this manner. Your beautiful lovely sandals are ready. Isn't it cool? Now here get another sheet. You need to fold it in this manner in blocks like this. Further also from the middle you have to get the sheets like this, wrap it in this manner. Further here keep on getting the folds from both the sides, and here in the middle you will be getting a beautiful lovely thing and you can paste it on the top. Your Hello Kitty. Now here get a black sheet. What we are doing out of it, just unwrap it in this manner, get them folded along the lines. Beautifully you have to secure it in this way, and then from the corners you need to get it arranged. Fix it in this position. Get them beautifully secured like this, and further you need to make it look like this, and this is yet ready. Amazing, right? Further, what are we gonna do out of it? You have to get a sheet, get the layers, arrange it in this form. You have to get the splits in the sheets like this, and beautifully you need to just wrap it around. Get them pasted in this manner, and let's see what are we gonna do out of it. Get the candy pasted inside and roll them together in this way. Now here what we have to do, you have to just curl them up and get it out. This is gonna look pretty. Now here get a pink sheet, pink, and here you need to just fold it from the top and secure it in this position. Get them beautifully made, and now you need to keep it from the middle, get a box like structure. Further here with the help of cutter you need to cut it in this manner and tuck them inside. Your pretty box of tissue is ready. Amazing, right? Now here get a designer sheet, glittery one, and what you have to do out of it, you just have to get them beautifully made. Get a stick on the top and you need to do it in this manner. Further here just attach it in this way, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further, let's see, you have to get cutouts like this. Now here you have to get a circular sheet attached, get a little curvy and paste them along the lines. You have secured it beautifully. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.